BrainBobble presents How to Crush Your To-Do List. Productivity tips you haven't heard before. Are you tired of the same old productivity tips that just aren't cutting it in today's fast-paced world? Look no further. In this YouTube video, we will introduce you to some unique and innovative productivity tips that you may have never heard of before. These tips will help you not only crush your to-do list, but also improve your overall efficiency and time management skills. Get ready to take your productivity to the next level with these game-changing tips. 1. Eisenhower Matrix. The Eisenhower Matrix is a simple yet powerful tool that can help you take control of your to-do list and crush your daily tasks. By dividing your tasks into 4 categories based on their level of urgency and importance: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important, the matrix allows you to prioritize your tasks and focus on the most important ones first. For example, submitting a work report that is due by the end of the day or attending to a critical customer issue that requires immediate resolution would go in the urgent and important category. Planning a strategic project for the next quarter or scheduling a workout session for next week would go in the important but not urgent category. Responding to an email that is not related to work but is marked as high priority or attending a meeting that can be handled by someone else would go in the urgent but not important category. Checking social media during work hours or engaging in idle conversation with colleagues when there's work to be done would go in the neither urgent nor important category. By using this simple framework, you'll be able to prioritize your tasks more effectively, avoid wasting time on non-important tasks, and reduce stress and anxiety caused by procrastination or missed deadlines. Give it a try and see how this matrix can transform the way you work and live. 2. Regular breaks. Taking breaks may seem counterproductive, but it's actually one of the most effective ways to increase productivity and crush your to-do list. Studies have shown that taking short breaks every 90 minutes can improve focus, creativity, and reduce stress and burnout. By stepping away from your work for a few minutes, you give your mind a chance to rest, recharge, and refocus. This can help you come back to your tasks with renewed energy and motivation, leading to improved efficiency and performance. Taking breaks can also help prevent decision fatigue, which is the feeling of being mentally exhausted after making too many decisions. By taking regular breaks, you allow yourself time to recharge and avoid making costly mistakes or poor decisions. So don't feel guilty about taking a few minutes to stretch, grab a snack, or simply take a walk outside. It could be just what you need to crush your to-do list and achieve your goals. 3. Pomodoro Technique. Are you tired of staring at your never-ending to-do list? Do you find yourself getting easily distracted or overwhelmed? The Pomodoro Technique might just be the productivity hack that you need. This technique is simple: work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this 4 times, and then take a longer break. By breaking your workday into manageable chunks, it helps you focus on the task at hand, maintain motivation, and enhance your efficiency. Moreover, it's a great way to combat burnout and mental fatigue. It might sound too good to be true, but give it a try and watch your productivity skyrocket. Say goodbye to procrastination, and hello to a more efficient, productive you. 4. Chunking Technique. When facing a long to-do list, the chunking technique might be just the solution to gaining control over your tasks. This method involves breaking large tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. By dividing big projects into smaller tasks, you can focus on one part at a time and avoid feeling like you're taking on too much. Additionally, completing each smaller task can give you a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to keep going. The key is to identify the parts of a larger task that you can complete in a short period of time and then work through them incrementally. Over time, you'll see that you've made significant progress on even the most daunting projects. 5. 2-minute rule. If you're always putting off tasks until the last minute, the 2-minute rule might be just what you need to get things done. The premise is simple: if a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it right away. Whether it's responding to an email or tidying up your workspace, tackling small tasks immediately can give you a sense of accomplishment and momentum to keep going. It's also a great way to avoid accumulating a never-ending list of small tasks that can pile up and become overwhelming. By making a habit of the 2-minute rule, you'll find that you're getting more done each day without feeling like you're expending a lot of effort. Give it a try and watch your productivity soar. 6. No meeting day. Are you feeling bogged down with meetings and struggling to find time to complete your to-do list? Consider implementing a no-meeting day. This is one day each week where you block out your calendar and refrain from scheduling any meetings. It may seem daunting at first, but having this designated time to focus on important tasks can do wonders for your productivity. It's a great way to catch up on work that you've been putting off and allows you to dive deep into projects without interruptions. Plus, studies show that constant meetings can actually decrease productivity in the long run. By giving yourself a break from meetings, you're creating space to get more done and ultimately feel more accomplished. Experience it for yourself and witness how much more productive you can become. 7. 80-20th rule. To enhance your efficiency and productivity, try using the 80-20 rule. Also known as the Pareto principle, this rule states that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. In other words, you can achieve more by focusing on the few tasks that deliver the most value. To start implementing the 80-20 rule, take a look at your to-do list and identify the tasks that will have the biggest impact on your goals or projects. Prioritize those tasks and tackle them first. This will help you stay focused, avoid getting bogged down by smaller tasks, and ultimately increase your productivity. By putting the majority of your effort into the tasks that matter most, you'll free up time to work on other projects or simply enjoy some well-deserved downtime. 8. Group similar tasks. Have you ever found yourself bouncing between tasks and feeling like you're not making any progress? Grouping similar tasks together can be a game changer for your productivity. When you have a list of tasks to complete, categorize them into groups that share similarities, such as phone calls or email responses. By focusing on similar tasks in batches, you can streamline your workflow and avoid the mental fatigue of constantly switching gears. Additionally, you'll be able to complete tasks more quickly because you won't need to switch between different tools or mindsets. Once you finish one group of tasks, move on to the next and continue working through your list. You'll find that you're making steady progress and feeling more accomplished with each completed batch. 9. Track your time. Do you ever feel like there aren't enough hours in the day? One way to combat this feeling and make the most of your time is by understanding where your time is being spent. By taking note of how long it takes you to complete certain tasks, you can identify patterns and find ways to work more efficiently. Additionally, tracking your time can help you hold yourself accountable and ensure that you're using your time effectively. Whether you use an app or a simple spreadsheet, tracking your time can help you stay on top of deadlines, prioritize tasks, and ultimately crush your to-do list. Don't let time slip away from you, take control of it and watch your productivity soar. In today's fast-paced world, staying on top of your tasks and achieving your goals can feel like an impossible feat. That's why it's crucial to implement effective productivity tips into your daily routine. It's all about taking control of your time and energy, so you can maximize your productivity and achieve success. So don't let your to-do list overwhelm you. Try out these strategies and crush your goals. Remember, small steps every day can lead to big accomplishments. And for more insightful tips and mind-expanding food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.